Long time no see, I'm Rose. Now please follow my camera while I take you for a virtual tour of our factory. Okay, now we have entered our workshop. This is our assembly line. It includes pin cutting, soldering, and assembly steps. And over there is testing line. It includes debugging, fellow test, and optical fiber transmission test. Every customer is concerned with product quality, and our factory consistently maintains the first pass yield rate of more than 98.5% for mass production. These achievements is inseparable from the diligent work of every staff member in our factory. If you have any questions, please contact us through the following methods and follow Youthton social media accounts.